just to quickly show you guys my flowers for the pollinators. This is lavender. I can't remember if this is the Margaret Robbie one or if that is the Margaret Robbie one. This is a perennial flowering lavender where this only flowers 2 times a year. And then I have we have a bug. It looks like a mosquito. This is my marigolds, so a few of them there. This one looks a bit dead. That one looks dead, but they will bounce back very soon. I've transplanted them recently. Then I have another few marigolds here that's looking beautiful today. And then where we have our trusty steed, the buffalo. So the idea is to have this full of a lot of flowers so that it would attract pollinators to get into my garden. And then when in the summertime and in the spring, when we have a lot of stuff going on here, we have something for the bees to eat and draw them to the garden.